Sit comfortably and close your eyes with your feet flat on the floor and your hands gently resting in your lap. Take a few slow, deep breaths, breathing in light and breathing out any thoughts, feelings, or physical discomfort that may be preventing you from being fully present in this moment on this journey. Don't try to breathe any differently. Just whatever feels comfortable, knowing that this is the life force. This is what sustains your physical being. And at this moment, all you want to do is be fully present in this physical vehicle. Feel yourself connected from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And now I'm going to take you on a little journey to the place where you were before you came into this body. Imagine, if you will, a place of color and light and sound and happiness, where everybody just looks like light beings. And everybody's playing a musical instrument and expressing their full, joyful being. You're probably playing the drums because you like to make a lot of noise. And you notice all of a sudden that all the other lights that you've been playing with are heading towards this beautiful pavilion. The pavilion is like a rainbow of color. And again, light, this amazing light. And so you follow the other lights and you enter the pavilion, and on the stage at the front, you see a great light. And this great light beckons you forward. And you go, who, me? And the great light says, yes, you, come forward. If you want, you can choose another journey. You can go back to Earth. And you go, yeah, I'd like to do that. Sure. And so the great light points you to a wall where there's a lot of missions folded in little pockets. And you pick a mission and you come back to the great light, who looks at it very soberly and says, ooh, this could be difficult. This could be challenging. Are you sure? Are you sure you want to do this journey? And you say, oh yes, I can do it. I know I can do it. I want to do it. The great light says, remember, you will forget this. There will be moments, days, weeks sometimes, when you will forget that you chose this. And you say, I won't forget. I won't forget. I'm ready. I can do this. So the great light says, okay, let's see who's going to accompany you on this journey. Let's see who will come forward and assist you to fulfill your mission. And looking out at the audience, the Great Light says, who will be this one's parents? And you see two lights coming forward. Who indeed are your parents in this journey? And then the Great Light says, and who will be this one's brothers and sisters, friends and family? And notice who comes forward. And notice that you know these lights too in this other world. And then the Great Light says, and who will be this one's enemies? Who will be the ones who will challenge his vision, his commitment, his success? Who will be the snidely whiplash in this one's life? And you see more lights come forward, and some of them are even lights that have already shown up in the friends and family circle. And you're still happy and exuberant, and you want to go on this journey. So you bow to the Great Light, Namaste, and you go to the edge of the stage, and you jump. Geronimo! And you're here, and you forgot. But now is a time to remember. To remember the choice, the goodwill, the passion, and to cultivate going forward this memory of the journey that you're on. To pivot away from the challenges and direct your energy to the light, the satisfying moments, the loving moments, the generous moments, the happy moments, and to continue the journey. And notice now how this body, sitting in this chair, feels. Reconnect from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Feel the breath gently sustaining the life force. Take a long, slow, deep breath. Let it out with a sigh. And slowly, gently, when you're ready, open your eyes.